Hi, this is Dr. Jasmine Gorton. Hope everybody's doing great. I have some tips and tricks for you on how to adjust a retainer if you have one that's a classic retainer with the metal on the front and the acrylic on the roof of your mouth with a color. So we're going to zoom in. If this is you from the front, usually this type of retainer has a wire on the front and either two C-shaped wires in the back or two C-shaped wires a little bit further forward. So say you feel like the retainer is feeling a little too loose for you. One way, a secret way to make it feel tighter, you can push with your thumb against the front wire. If you push with your thumb against the front wire, that makes the front tighter. You can also take the C-shaped ones, whether they be in the back or a little bit more towards the front. You can go ahead and squeeze those inward towards your teeth. That's also going to make them feel tighter. A way to make it feel looser is to gently pull away on these side ones, and that can make it feel looser. And to make it feel loose in the front, you again just pull away. So those are ways to make your retainer feel as comfortable as it could be if you're not able to come to the office. Thank you.